अब की बार 400 पार बोला था। खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना। खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है। चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में कित 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 कितना हुआ 240। वो गेम में भी हारा गया। इट इज असेम टू मिस्टर अमित शाह की होम मिनिस्टर क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे, बोलना होगा। जब अभी इतना गुस्सा आ गया सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहे। आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्ट्रेस भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर। आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में आइदर इन मन की बात और इन दिल की बात। मोदी जी का गारंटी है लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है सर। पब्लिक देयर इज नो वारंटी, देयर इज एन अनस्टेबल गवर्नमेंट एंड अदर साइड इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोजिशन in the country. पार्लियामेंट का बाहर भी लड़ाई चलेगा। The Prime Minister is entering into the Parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish जी का पार्टी, another crutch is नायडू बाबू का पार्टी। Two crutch लेके चलता है और two crutch लेकर all over the India he will be moving around. Sir, the Honorable President of India read her speech which was drafted by the Union government led by Mr. Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister. In the President's address, role of the Election Commission of India has been praised. What she could have been done, excepting praising. We are having a great respect for the Election Commission of India, all constitutional bodies. The standard of conducting the election in a fair manner was really taken by Sri T.N. Seshan, he was the election commissioner. From the very outer side, one may come into the conclusion that yes, this time also fair election has been done. Repeatedly during the election, all we, including our leader, the Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, raised so many questions about the role of the Election Commission of India. Now the question is whether the Election Commission of India has conducted election in 2024 impartially. In our state, Election Commission of India had acted on the basis of the desire of the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. A good number of police officers, right from DG to OC, were transferred because of the desire of the BJP leaders. And not only that, before effecting such transfers, the leader of the opposition of the state assembly in a public speech was used to say, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred. You know, now, वही था, हाँ, public speech आप बैठिए, पहले public speech he was telling, and the Election Commission of India has acted in terms of the dictation of the Bharatiya Janata Party leader. Election Commission of India, every stage, every time, Election Commission of India has interfered with the election process. Not a single one has been paid. But when we lost the complaint against the BJP candidates and the BJP leaders, no step was taken. No step was taken. In a marginal win, 10,000 seats, 7,000 seats, 8,000 seats, 8,000 votes, they have won because of the blessings of the Election Commission of India. Otherwise, you would not have seen even the 12% from the Bharatiya Janata Party from the West Bengal. What the CISF has done, sir? CISF, they were threatening the voters. Go and cast votes in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you know in the fifth phase of election, that is on the date of my election and Sazda among the elections. Do you know, previous night, CISF entered into the house, molested two women. One is at Ulubedia and one is at, yes, and one is at my constituency, Jangipada. It is the same to Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, that his CISF have entered into the house.
माननीय एक मिनट
अरे सुनो भाई,
एक मिनट।
2 CISF officers were arrested.
माननीय सदस्य, आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं
सर,
अपन को एक
क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? बोलना होगा। 2 CISF officers were arrested. Now, sir, just to why the 7th phase election? Why? We have objected to that. Why the 7th phase election? Election was conducted for 3 months. To accommodate whom? Of course, I will speak.
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य,
Arrested. Sir,
प्लीज
Sir, I would not have raised the issue. Sir, I would not have raised the issue. I would not have raised the issue unless in this speech it has been written, quote, I also express my gratitude to the Election Commission of India on behalf of the courts of India today. This is the largest election. I am opposing that. Why you have brought Election Commission of India into this speech? Why you have brought? If you have brought in the President address, you have to hear Mr. Mehtab. You must have tolerance to hear now. You have gone to that side, now you increase your presence. You increase your tolerance. This is written here. I know law, I go by law. Sir, now, अभी इतना गुस्सा आ गया, थोड़ा बाद में देखो ना क्या होगा. अभी इतना गुस्सा. Why 7th phase election? Why for 2 months and 30 days, for 15 days? Why the entire development of the country has been stopped? Why? To accommodate Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to go on all over states. We were 68 days.
ये गलत है. चुनाव आयोग निष्पक्ष है, निर्वाध है, वो अपनी तारीख खुद तय करता है. इस तरीके
you are saying this. This is a charge against the Election Commission of India. Now, sir, speeches have been delivered. Hatred speech have been delivered. Hatred speech against the minority community, Muslims have been delivered. What steps have been taken by the Election Commission of India against them? What steps? Only steps against the opposition. All these steps against the opposition leaders. Sir, now I come to another chapter. One by one chapter. The Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, आपको हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. आप देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, आप सीनियर है एज में. जो सीनियर है, आप ही तो कल बोला, उनको इज्जत करना चाहिए. हम तो इज्जत करते हैं, इज्जत भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमको, आई एम इन ए opposition, I have to criticize also. And this is my role. That's the reason people of the Srirampur parliamentary constituency has chosen by a margin of 1,75,000 votes. बहुत ज्यादा मोदी जी का ऊपर से, बहुत ज्यादा. So Modi ji, why are you having so much hatred, vindictive attitude to the opposition parties? Why? In a democracy, opposition party will always criticize the ruling party. And that is a foundational job of the opposition party. Why we will hate all opposition leaders all the time, or we will spread hatred towards the opposition or to the minority? I never heard, sir, sorry, for long 10 years I have never heard from Modi ji any sweet words, any soft words towards the opposition is concerned. any soft word, any sweet words. Never I have heard any praise by the Honorable Prime Minister to the opposition. Never. Never any praise to the Chief Ministers who are in the non-BJP state. Nowhere I have ever heard it said. With a great pain I am saying so. You, in our state, you hate our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In Tamil Nadu, you hate Mr. Stalin. In Delhi, you hate Arvind Kejriwal. In Jharkhand, you hate Hemant Soren. In Maharashtra, you hate Uddhav Thackeray. In Uttar Pradesh, you hate Akhilesh Yadav. All the over. Karnataka, Sitaramaya. Anyway, and that is the reason. Exactly today, time has come. No. If you are arrogant, I don't mind. But today, time has come to oversee yourself. To oversee this arrogancy, this hatred, this vindictiveness have downgraded the popularity of Mr. Narendra Modi in India. You must appreciate that. This is the point which you have taken. Sir, what is called stable government with clear majority? What is called? Since BJP has lost 63 seats and not having majority on the basis of the strength of every political parties, you wish to redefine the term stable government. You are rewriting the term stable government. Fantastic procedure. आपने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार बोला था, खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना, खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है, चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ 240, वो गेम में भी हारा गया। इधर सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहे। एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर, हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्टर्स भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर। आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में। Now said, people of this, remember your attitude towards opposition. You could not fulfill your promise, whatever you made in every field, either in मन की बात और in दिल की बात। मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब। पब्लिक there is no warranty, गारंटी है लेकिन वारंटी नहीं है। Sir, please keep in mind, I am addressing you. Please keep in mind, sir, that NDA government, this NDA government got secured around 48.86% vote, including 8.3% in NDA. Total is 48.86%. And what is the India got? This India got bloc secured 51.14% vote. Remember, sir. Sir, yes. Sir, there is a change. Of course, suddenly there is a change in the country itself. What the Honorable President of India has said. What has been done, you know? Change is this. There is an unstable government and other side is a strong opposition in the country. हर पल, हर दिन, हर पल याद रखना होगा, हम लोग अनस्टेबल हो और वो लोग इंडिया ब्लॉक ज्यादा स्टेबल है, ज्यादा सख्त है। मेरा जो वक्तव्य हम रखेंगे इधर, जो हम बोलेंगे इधर, सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट में नहीं, पार्लियामेंट के बाहर भी लड़ाई चलेगा, पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई चलेगा और ज्यादा दिन नहीं रहेंगे। सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उनका बाद 1.5 बरस में साफ हो जाएगा। इस गवर्नमेंट को कोई नहीं सकता है। Sir, in our country,
आप लोग किधर देते हैं, हम लोग किधर देते
हाँ, sir, excepting the emergency days, in the emergency days, never any prime minister misused his or her power for targeting the opposition leader by using ED and CBI like this government which has been happening. You are claiming a stable government, sir. What we have or what we want, we are habituated to see. What we are habituated to see, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, is coming here, entering into the Parliament, standing in his feet. He is delivering this speech with all confidence. Now what we see? Now we see that the Prime Minister is entering into the Parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish ji ka party, another crutch is Naidu Babu ka party. Two crutch leke chalta hai, और two crutch leke all over the India he will be moving around. Not only India, internationally he will be moving around. Earlier we have seen him, our Prime Minister, who was having so much confidence on him. Today he is not having that confidence on him. This is his head. Where? Always you have blamed us. Always you have blamed us that the corrupted leaders assembled and created opposition bloc of India Alliance. That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, what about Chandrasekhar Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Prafulla Patel? Did CBI and ED arrested him? Chandrababu Naidu? Whether this case is still pending?
जो सदस्य यहाँ के मेंबर नहीं है,
ठीक है, चलिए टीडीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है, एनसीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है. आप जो बोल रहे हैं आप चेंज करते हैं. Are they not corrupted? Whether the TDP top leader was not arrested by the ED CBI, by last government itself. He has become now honest. हाँ, वॉशिंग मशीन में कैसा क्लीन हो गया देखिए बीजेपी का साथ रहने के बाद, ऐसा क्लीन हो गया. Now what a political compulsion is having. What a political compulsion. नरेंद्र मोदी जी, what a फेट देखिए, क्या पॉलिटिकल कंपल्सन है. आपको भी डिसऑनेस्ट करप्ट लीडर्स के लेके सरकार बनाना पड़ता है. यही फेट है, फेट. Sir, in May 2024, during the course of the conduct of the general election to the Lok Sabha, Shri Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji gave television interviews as part of their political campaign and asked people to buy shares before 4th June 2024. Amit Shah ji said, quote, "You can buy before June 4. This market will shoot up," unquote. The stock market crashed spectacularly after the declaration of results on 4th June, leading to a heavy losses of around rupees 31 lakh crores of the investors. This modus operandi of this was that all the Godi media predicted more than 356 BJP seats led India in exit poll. All that Godi media predicted inflated results for BJP almost in all states, and in our states claimed BJP would back 29 to 31 seats, while results showed only 12 seats. Because of the prediction of the Godi media in the exit poll, the stock market saw an unprecedented rally on 3rd June. It is also important that the agency Axis My India was also hired by the BJP to conduct election survey for the party. Sir, BJP party, sir, do you know? Since you have not asked me not to take any name, I will not take name. But wife of topmost leader of the TDP earned 521 crores within one day because of the crashing of the stock exchange. Who will conduct? Who will conduct now investigation? Who will conduct? No investigation, because they are on that side. No, in the presidential seat, Speech, it has been written at serial number 3. This has happened, sir. 25 minutes है मेरा. No, sir. Please allow me, sir. Please allow me. It has happened after 6 decades, sir. Every day you have this government have interfered with the federal structure of the state. You want to run this country disobeying the non-BJP state governments. You have gone to the extent that even in a water sharing issues relating to Ganga and Tista rivers have been discussed by you with the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh without having their views and participation of the Honorable Chief Minister of the state of West Bengal. Such unilateral deliberations and discussions without consultation and the opinion of the state government, which is neither acceptable and desirable. Our Honorable CM Mamata Banerjee, by a letter dated 24 June 2024, pointed out such unacceptable and undesirable attitude of the Honorable PM. You have ignored paramount interest of the people of the West Bengal. What the governors are doing? Have they been appointed in the non-BJP states? Is the central government running a parallel government through the governors? When such discussion will take place? We are going on to telling these things for last 3 years. Make a discussion on the governance issue in a non-BJP states. What they are doing? 2 MLAs are holding dharna. Do you know what is the reason? Reason is this. They have to come to the governor's house. Sir, listen, sir. Think about President of India ignoring you. Ask the member of parliament, go to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and take oath. What you will feel. Tell me. This is the thing is being done. This is the thing is being done. This is a ridiculous thing. Sir, 3 bills. The Act. Sangeeta. It has been brought without discussion. That time you have suspended us 140 MPs. We were outside. No discussion from our side. A big claim, colonial law is being replaced. Very good. Very good. I have no objection. But why? In these laws, 90% provisions in toto have been made in this old. Some cosmetic changes are in the new laws. Cosmetic changes. Title has been changed. You have got enough time to give in completely new codes. When man like Mr. Bhupen Yadav is there, he was a chairman of the Law Standing Committee for 5 years. I worked with him, very nice man. So I worked with him. Why so many lawyers are there? Why you could not brought? दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आया जे नया लॉ के लेके? अभी तो आप ब्रिटिश लॉ के लेके चल रहे हैं. 90% provisions of the British laws and title is only the Hindi Sanskritic title. Are you claiming that you have brought a new law in this country itself? सर हमको तो बहुत कुछ बोलना था. आप तो कैसे क्यों इतना रूठ गया मेरा ऊपर? आज आप हमारा ऊपर बहुत रूठ गया. क्यों? सर, just I will give 3 or 4 datas, then I will stop. I am for you only. I am really. क्या करेगा सर? आपको ना नहीं बोलना सकता. यही मेरा दिक्कत है. I can say my wife no, but I cannot say you no. That's the whole problem of mine. Sir, global competitive index ranking out of 141 countries. 2014, it was 60. 2019, it was 68. 2023, it has gone down to 65. GDP growth, 7.41%, 3.74%, 7.6%. India's foreign loan. 2014, it was 446.2 billion US dollar. 2019, 543.1 billion US dollar. And 2023, 663.8 billion US dollars. You have gone there. आप लोग बहुत महिला के लिए बोलते हैं ना? कब गया? कब मणिपुर गया? अरे बसीरहाट के लिए तो बहुत कुछ बोला है. 3 लाख से वोट से ज्यादा से जीता। संदेश खाली के लिए तो बहुत से बोला है, रेखा जी को तो फोन करके बोला उधर खड़ा हो जाइए, एक बार नहीं गया। क्या प्रहलाद जोशी जी, एक बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर कोई वुमेन एफेक्टेड वुमेन को फोन करने नहीं बोलने सकता था? बेटी तू देश का बेटिया है, तू मेरा बेटिया है, हम तुझको देखेंगे, ये बात बोलने नहीं सका। सर, the women crime against women reported per lakh of population in the country. 2014, 56.3, 2019, 66.4, 2023, 75.8% in the country. Total number of crimes against women, just 1 minute. Total number of crime against women, 3,37,922. 2019, 3,70,503. 2023, 4,45,000. थोड़ा शेड्यूल कास्ट का बारे में सुन लीजिए। बहुत से शेड्यूल कास्ट का शेड्यूल टाइप के लिए रोते हैं। क्राइम अगेंस्ट एससी पीपल 2040, 40,401. 2019, 45,961. 2023, 57,522. Crime against ST people 6,827. 2014, 2019, 7,570. 2020, 10,064. सर आप हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू यू।
आपकी पार्टी का समय इतना ही दिया, मैंने ज्यादा नहीं दिया।
अच्छा, और फिर है मेरा और 5 मिनट
अभी समय, लेकिन एक और
मेरा और 5 मिनट है तो
नहीं, आपका नहीं, एक वक्ता और आप
5 मिनट है तो आप बोल दीजिए, बोलने दीजिए सर। तो आप जो बोलेंगे हम बैठ जाएंगे, आप जो बोलेंगे
प्लीज।
थैंक यू सर, आई एम कंक्लूडिंग, आई एक्सटेंडिंग। सर हम कुछ नहीं मांगते हैं, मांगने का कुछ नहीं है, जो है लड़ाई करके लड़के ले लेंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब को बोलिए ऑपोजिशन का तरफ थोड़ा पोलाइट हो जाइए, कैसे वो नींद में जाते हैं, इतना वेंजेंस लेके, इतना खिलाफ लेके, इतना नफरत लेके, ऑपोजिशन के लेके इतना नफरत कैसे नींद में चला जाता है। थैंक यू सर।
नेशनल दस्तक की आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर इसको बचाना चाहते हैं तो नेशनल दस्तक को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं, फिर बेल आइकन की घंटी दबाएं। नेशनल दस्तक को बचाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हर खबर को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट जरूर करें।